Hey there, everyone. This is a quick video regarding the update that High Level has just made on their funnel builder. So the new thing that they have released is that now you can choose color options differently. So basically, here if you choose any text or any paragraph on your funnel, here on the right hand side of the screen you would have the color options, and in the color options previously you had bold color, underline color, italic color. But now you will only see two color options. So one is simple color, which is a default color. You can change it like this and it would get changed, and the icon color. But now, if you wanna bold text and you wanna change the color for that only, or you wanna underline a text, or you want to change color for that only, how do you do that? It is very easy. All you have to do is basically select the text for whom you wanna customize the color, like this, and from here you can customize it easily. So let me show you. So I've turned it into green, and now I can turn something else into another color like this. Let's say blue. Now, what is the advantage of this and why did they release this? So previously, if you had two different bold phrases in under one paragraph on your on your text element, what would have happened that every time you change the bold color option, it would get changed for all the bold text. But now you have the option of basically bolding out two separate phrases and having two separate colors for it. So now, like for this instance, as you can see, this bold phrase has black color, this one has blue, and this one has green. So this is a very new update, and probably most of you won't be able to see this option on your account yet. But whenever you see it, don't panic. Just select the text and customize it accordingly.